Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily overlay videos in CapCut. So first, just add the main video into the main track on your CapCut and click on the overlay button, add overlay, and then choose a photo or video that you want as the overlay. I'm going to use one from the stock videos and I'm going to use this. Click on add. Now fit the size. Then to make it blend with the main video, go to blend. And then here I'm going to use overlay, or you can just choose which one that you think fits the video the best. I'm going to use the overlay. Click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the result, and that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.